Travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used.
When I see her eyes look into my eyes, then I realize that she could see inside my head. So I close my eyes, thinking that I could hide, disassociate so I don't have to lose my head. This situation leads to agitation. Well, she cut me off, but it's been an amputation. I don't know if I care. I'm the jerk, life's not fair, fighting all the time. This is out of line. She loves me not, loves me not. Do you realize I won't compromise? She loves me not, loves me not. Over the past 5 years, I have shed my tears. I have drank my beers and watched my fingers fly away. And until this day, you still swing my way. But it's sad to say, sometimes she says she loves me not. But I hesitate to tell her I hate this relationship. I want out today, this is over. I don't know if I care. I'm the jerk, life's not fair, fighting all the time. This is out of line. She loves me not, loves me not. Do you realize I won't compromise? She loves me not, life's not fair. I'm the jerk.
One dry potato inside, no lie, not even bread. Jam, when the light above my head went bam. I can't see, something's all over me. Greasy insomnia, please release me and let me dream about making mad love on the heath. Tearing off tights with my teeth, but there's no relief. I'm wide awake in my kitchen. It's black and I'm lonely. Oh, if I could only get some sleep. Creaky noises make my skin creep. I need to get some sleep. I can't get no sleep.
Drums and the booming track, 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 drums and the booming track. Drums and the booming track.
Oh shit!
You're as cold as ice. You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice. You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice. You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice.
I like to welcome motherfuckers to the back of the minor bed. See, I'm for real with delivering these MOP tactics. I'll bury you bastards. I custom make caskets, the BG, Soldier nigga, the YG, Soldier nigga, even the OG, Cobra nigga, Soldier nigga. I may come with my gun in my hand to make sure you motherfuckers understand.
Pardon me. How the fuck you gon' stall with me? I'm a heavyweight in this game, you just spar with me. You get laced down from your face down, drop this shit. Niggas thought MOP stand for mopping shit. Don't get it twisted. I told you that we top of the line, design realistic. For instance, mash out myself. We'll come through and clear your ass out, dump and air your ass out. Jump, we cold.
You're as cold as ice. Willing to sacrifice. You're as cold as ice.
A predicate gun buster. I passed all classes. One of the fastest at blasting flashes. You seen my work? You know my steez. It's a slim chance that I'ma hesitate to squeeze, please. Money never made me. Money never played me. And money bet not make me. Whack his ass, subtract his ass when I step through his hood. Fuck dropping you, I'm into stopping you from good. Stop him if you could.
And you'll be stiff as a log in the suit looking nice. You the sinner, nigga.
You're as cold as ice.
But you ain't cold enough to freeze hot slugs when they run up in ya. You ain't in my class, nigga. I'm the last, nigga. You gon' fuck around and get blasted. Sucker ass, nigga. Soul survivor, survivor soul. Nigga, you roll and I roll and stroll. I told you that I'm cold.
You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice. You're as cold as ice.
Yeah.
You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice. You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice.
Yo, I terrorize guys. Exercise. Street formula. I hip-hop shows. Call pandemonium. Shit, I ain't concerned until it's my turn. I snatch a mic, jump on the stage and show my ass like how it's done. But not in that form. I perform town, how the flow rack. Dragged him halfway down the block. Now you know where a nigga go when a nigga throws, a nigga stop. Fuck you. Tell me something new. On the head for the first family stab and homicide crews in control.